Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to touch upon a very important topic, and that topic is the use of pivot. So let us understand first what are the uses of pivot. So let us go to this, and first thing, it's used for reporting. Second, it is used for analysis. Third, it is used for summarizing your data. Fourth, it is used for sorting as well as filtering. And third, and the last and the most important thing, it is used for drill down data. Now, what do I mean by drill down data? Drill down data means you can capture the minutest of detail using the pivot. So I'm going to quickly show you how you can do reporting, analysis, summarizing, sorting, filtering, drilling down of data using the pivot. For that, we are going to switch to Excel first. So let us switch to Excel. Now this is my data and I want to insert a pivot. So let's first talk about analysis. I want to find out which are the top 10 countries with the highest average sales. This is what is the analysis I want to do. So to insert the pivot, what are we going to do? We are going to go to insert and we are going to click on pivot table and it would be inserted. But then you can use the shortcut Alt N V. That is the shortcut used for pivot. So insert, it will automatically select enter. Now country wise average sales, and out of the top 10, so we are going to use the country column over here. For the sales column, we are going to take the quantity. Then we will right click over here and we will go to the average. And then we are going to simply go here, value filter and top 10. These are the kind of analysis you can do. So analyzing any kind of data is very easy with the help of pivot. Summarizing data is very easy. For example, I want to know what has been the sales for every product. So I will go to insert, pivot, enter. I will take the product code and I will take the quantity. So I've summarized the data. Now I want to find out the minutest detail. What I told you, drill down. So I want to know that this particular product has been sold in which country and by which sales representative. So what I do is I take the country below the product. So I know number one is being sold in China and France, and then I take the sales representative below that. So I know that number one is being sold in China by 112. So you can drill down to the minutest of details by using this feature. This is known as drilling down in pivot table. And the next feature is sorting. We have how do we sort? So simple. Any column you want to sort, just simply right click on that column. You will get the sort option. You can sort smallest to largest. If you right click on this and sort, it will tell you A to Z. So sorting is very easy. Now filtering, we already saw over here that if I click here, I have these filters available in pivot. However, what are we going to do is we are going to see one more trick of filtering. For example, if I want to filter only the data from Bulgaria, so what I will do, I will just click on this value. I'll go to this value and I will just simply double click. The value will be populated onto a new sheet. Okay, so this is very easy to filter. Your source data remains intact. Okay, so what all you can do? You can do analysis, you can do summarizing, you can do drill down, you can do sorting, filtering, all this reporting, all this is possible with the help of pivot. So in today's video, I have given you a simple overview of pivot, what all pivot table can do. In the next coming videos, I will be taking you more into advanced level of pivots. So please stay tuned to my channel for more such video. Thank you for watching. my channel. Please do subscribe to many more such videos which you will be able to see. So thank you very much.